You see, let me tell you one thing. Those parties who blaming us like that, in fact, they should realize one thing. They fail to run their own politics within their own party. Means they fail totally. And then whenever MLAs joining the NPP, they used to blame us that we paid so much amount. eh, They are being poached because of money, this, that. But let me tell you very, very frankly to all of you, why these MLAs join us, merge with us. It is not because of the money. It is only purely on the basis of the development. They have seen the development and they are being pressurized by their own respective leaders or voters in their constituency that we need development. So therefore, they decided to join the party NPP because this, this joining of them, I think it proved that NPP is the only party who can really provide development, whatever you say.
So even if you're saying that they've opted for an NPP because of
That's what I'm saying. They did not choose, but ultimately they chosen to join NPP. It is not Roni who chosen to join NPP. It is his people. Means the mandate of the people ultimately. If their people does not want their MLA to join NPP, why should they? You get my point? So therefore now, see, like 3 MLAs from Congress, then again recently one more MLA from Congress merged with the party NPP. Do you think these 4 MLAs who join NPP will not consult with their leaders, with the people in their respective constituency? They have to. So doing that, ultimately it proved very, very clearly now that people of the state now opted to NPP. They wanted to join NPP. As I said to you, just because of one issue, and that issue is development.
Why do you need more members? Your ship is already full.
It's not the question. It's not the question of need more numbers. But let me tell you one thing. The principle of NPP is we have a big room. Still, the door is open. If all the 60 MLAs join us, the more, the merrier. As a president of the party NPP, we welcome. Still, if we get 60 numbers, we are very happy. Please join the NPP. But when you join, you should realize one thing: you need development. Beyond that, go. Because we are here to provide development to every part of the state. So we are here also to welcome the honorable elected representative if they wanted to join the party NPP. Till today, tomorrow, and maybe 1 year or 6 months or 3 months before the end of the term, we still welcome. Welcome everybody. That's what I'm saying. Or the space is there. Because we have 60 MLAs in our state, I would like to see that all the 60 MLAs are also members of the NPP. Why should you ask me about breaking? We are not here to break anybody. Why should we break? It's not the question of breaking us. We are not here, to break BPP, to break HSBPP, or to break any other political party like UDP and others. We are not here for that.
But
What we are here is, as I said to you, what we are here is, we have a sleepless night, and we hardly sleep also, because we want to provide development to each and every constituency in the state of Meghalaya. I don't have any dialogue. What I would like to only advise again to the Congress party, please revisit and do a major repairing work.
So this is hinting to the president, MPCC president Vincent Pala.
No, I talk to Congress party, to the Congress party.